Golmara. Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Parikh and today I am going to show you my new toy, the soccer game. I love this toy and this toy is my favorite toy, and this is a very interesting game and a very nice game. 2 players can play in this game. There are 4 roads in this game and 12 players. In one team there are 6 players and the another team also has the 6 players. Now let's unbox it. There is a box in this. These are the 2 sides of the board. And this is another box. And these are the edges. And this is the playground. And this is our first box. And now let's see what is in this box. Here are the grips of the sticks, and this is the scoreboard. And these are used to fit the roads, and these are big bolts, and these are small bolts with an Allen key in it. And here are the football. These are of plastic. And now let's open the other box. And in this box there are all the sticks. So here are the roads. There is blue team and red team, and each person has 6 players, and each road has 3 players. And there are 2 teams, blue and red. And now let's assemble all the parts. And we have instructions on this page, how to make it and other things. So first of all, we will take these 3 parts and join it. These nuts are given in this box only, in the box only. And now we will fit the board. So now we need to fix these roads. So this is our first road. So we have these parts also. So we need to put this part in both the sides. And we should do like this on every road. So now we need to put this road in this board. We need to take care that the player should be opposite. So now we need to fix the other part. And here it is. So now let's screw it. So now our board is almost ready. Let's fix the grip. Here it is. So these are the grips. We have fixed the grips and our roads are ready. So now we have the scoreboard, and I am fixing this piece in this. And with the help of these pieces, I will put this scoreboard on this. So we have 2 balls over here. One given is extra ball. And now let's open it. And now I am going to play with my friends. They both will tell their name and introduce about them.
My name is Yashwardhan. My name is Tanmay.
And we all are friends. सही गोल मारा।
2 होगा
ना अभी तो दोनों के 0 है।
0।
अब देख बच गया। यस
अपना वो कर ले।
तुम बताओ।
मैं पॉइंट कर रहा हूँ।
मेरे 2। Hope you enjoyed my video. So please like my video, share it to your friends, subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell button. Till the next video, bye bye.
Bye.